Okay, dear students, coming to the very first chapter of SSB Master Notes is why join the armed forces. And you know what we have done in this chapter? We have tried to explore all the reasons and thus help you identify. Once you go through the chapter, you can identify why you really want to join the armed forces. A person who does not have the right motivation to join the armed forces will not be able to sustain it, will not be able to work for longer. So you should have practical reasons, you should have genuine reasons, and you should generally have more than one reasons. Because if you have a set of reasons which are interlinked or interconnected, it sounds sensible, it sounds true, it sounds practical. Big talks like I want to serve the country, you can serve country every ways. Even as a shopkeeper you serve the country. Even as a teacher you serve the country. So serving country is not the best of the answers. There are n number of answers. So you should identify all of them. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ज्वाइनिंग दी आर्म फोर्सेस के कई कारण होते हैं और मैं इस अध्याय के द्वारा आपको इसी में समझाना चाहूँगा कि किस तरीके से आप उसमें से पढ़ के अपने मन को खगोल सकते हैं, आप उस मन को ढूंढ सकते हैं और आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सी विशेषताओं के कारण फौज ज्वाइन करनी। अगर आप एक सर्विंग सोल्जर हैं और आपको लगता है कि ये तो मेरे लिए प्रमोशन है, बहुत अच्छी बात, और भी कई आंतरिक कारण होंगे, तो वो सब चिन्हित कर लीजिए, आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए और उसको बताइए। कई बार जब आपसे ये सवाल पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू के दौरान या अन्य के दौरान, आप उसका सही उत्तर नहीं देते या बृहद रूप से, बड़े रूप से, कंप्लीट रूप से उत्तर नहीं देते, जिसके फलस्वरूप उनको लगता है कि आपकी प्रेरणा पर्याप्त नहीं, इसलिए आप फौज शायद ज्वाइन ना करें। सो वी रियली वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर। इंग्लिश we are going to give you both, but generally English would be the readings, the display will be in English, but I can explain you in Hindi as well. We are coming up with a book which is going to be Anglo-Hindi for many people who do not understand, but they can learn from this very soon. I hope it helps them. But right now, with the basic English, we would like to make you understand everything. So why join the armed forces is an important chapter. It is going to identify your motivation level. It is going to identify why you want to join the armed forces. And it's very important that you at least know why you are joining the armed forces. Armed forces have many things to offer. Are you aware of all of them? Maybe not. Armed forces may be giving you many other things which you are not aware of. So please read this book, SSB Master Notes. We have really worked hard for you, and we have really wanted to make you understand by the book how you can understand and make yourself more clear in your vision, make yourself more confident, and make yourself more rich. There are n number of theories, but we are giving you a theory which has worked for more than 3 decades. The Alarm Military Academy has been in action since 1988, and we have n number of results, 1,000 plus, maybe a little more, even years. In the last few months also we've scored results. So we are not standing with some kind of vague experiments. We are talking of compilation of all the all the beautiful things being served everywhere. We do not say that we are the genius. हम लोग ये नहीं कहते कि हम ही लोग बहुत शानदार हैं। हम जो भी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं सबका समूह करके बुक बनाए हैं और इसमें हमारा अनुभव भी जुड़ा है। कई अच्छे अच्छे वृत्तांत, कई अच्छे अच्छे पद्धति, कई अच्छे अच्छे ट्रेनिंग मेथोडोलॉजी सब जुड़ी हुई। तो कृपया उसको पढ़िए एंड लर्न।